Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Liz and I'm here to unbox another Keto Krate. This is the February box and I'm super excited for it. I was waiting for it. I was hoping that I got it before Valentine's Day and I did get it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So it's neatly packed in this little box. So, and it came with a coupon for the Good Fats bar. And then I got a little bit of, I got a booklet that talks a little bit about the box and gives a little bit of information. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so the first thing that I pulled out is this. And this is a pudding. So an instant pudding. And it has, I wouldn't say it has 0, but let me double check. Oh, no. It has 4 net carbs, 30 calories per serving, and it contains 4 servings. So this is definitely a shareable with my daughters. All right. Okay, so this one is pork rinds, and it's sea salt and cracked black pepper. I'm not too excited about pork rinds lately just because I've had them so much that I am done with them for a little bit. I had them in nachos, keto nachos, and they were good. It's just over using them, you know, and using them again and eating them again. I'm done with the pork rinds, but I am so willing to try these, of course. What if that's what I need, you know, a different flavor. And then how exciting are these? These cheeseburger puffs. And look at this. I like big buns and I can't not lie. Funny. Alright, so this one has 2 net carbs and how many servings? 1 serving, so for the whole package it's 2 carbs. They do feel crunchy. So chip replacement. Alright, so this is moon cheese, and these are also bites, white cheddar and black pepper. That is what it says. And let me see, 2 net carbs for the whole thing. So last time I had two packets that had something like this. And I used one of them. Well, one of them was a crouton, right here. And these were pretty good. I really did enjoy them with my side salad. I have some that I have not tried yet, but I figure that it's probably similar. I have not opened this bag yet, but I will definitely be adding these to my salad because I love croutons, and I can't have croutons being on keto, but with these I can. Alright, so this is a dark chocolate bar. So pumpkin seed and sea salt. Wow. This is a big chocolate bar. So it has 3 servings. You cannot eat the whole thing. I mean, you possibly can, but it is 1 net carb per serving. So 3 carbs for the whole thing, which is really good actually. Alright, so these are sea salt, all natural roasted pecans. Oh, I love pecans. And this is a pretty big bag. It has 4 servings. Does it have the net carbs in the front? So total carbs, 1 carb per serving. So 3 carbs for the whole, no, 4 carbs. 4 carbs for the whole bag. Nice. So these are definitely amazing for like traveling. I have a bag that I keep in my car that I put all my snacks in because sometimes you get that urge of, you know, eating something sweet, or you get hungry. Because for me, I don't eat on at work. I eat in the evening. I eat all my meals, everything that I need to eat, you know, all the calories, all the fat, all the carbs I eat in the evening in 2 big meals, and I'm usually good. On my way to work, I do have a snack, so I eat that, so that way I make it through the night. And here is a nutty bar, vanilla almond, soft baked bar. So 2 net carbs for this. Oh, sorry, I read wrong. 4 net carbs, 2 grams of sugar. Good to go. I really like these because I really enjoyed one that I got in my last box. And it is right here by Hungry Buddha. I really enjoyed this one. I will probably be purchasing this again. I got another one last time, Fat Bar. It was alright. It wasn't too bad. I could eat it again, but I don't know if I would purchase it again, but I would definitely buy this again. I really enjoyed this. It's a chocolate chip flavor and 4 net carbs. It was really soft. I could taste the chocolate chips. I could feel the chocolate chips too. And it was a really good size too, so I really liked it. Alright, so here's something, and then this is called Better Than Good Foods. Protein Breakfast Puffs, Cinnamon Roll. Veggie infused, and these have 0 net carbs. And sorry, my nails look terrible. I need to do them again. But anyway, so yeah, 0 net carbs. And how many? 2 servings. So this is a pretty big bag. And wow, I might have these today for breakfast and coffee. So here's another snack that can be eaten just like that, or you can add this. You can make anything with keto. You can make any recipes. This is 3 net carbs, 7 grams of protein, and these are shrewd keto dippers. So milk chocolate coated protein puffs. And these have 1 serving. So for the whole bag, it is 3 net carbs. And this is a pretty good size of a bag. I have another bar here. And it came with a coupon for this. So this one has a coupon for $1, which is, anything that you said is good, and they have different flavors. All right, so this is peanut butter chocolate, and it is 5 net carbs. So these bars are very filling. I really like that about these, that these are very filling, and they satisfy your sweet tooth. I get a lot of sugar cravings once in a while, and so these are great. I got this candy from the last box. It has a really good flavor, and it's from Curly Girls. Alright, so this was really good, but I did not like that it stuck to my teeth, and then it was hard to get out of my teeth. I don't know. I don't know if I would buy this again or not, but so that's that with that. And then last time, this Pop-Tart. So this one has 4 net carbs, and I had it with breakfast. Pop-Tart replacement. I don't know. This I did not enjoy at all. It didn't have a good flavor or a good texture. I probably would not buy this again. So yeah. Now, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm almost to the one that I wanted this month. To the one that I was mostly excited about. Alright, so last box, I got this coffee. And it's full-size coffee. This one is sweet and creamy. White chocolate peppermint. I didn't like the taste too much, and I don't know, it's maybe because I barely started drinking coffee last year, and I don't even drink it every day, only on the days that I work that I need energy. And because I want to find a way to also add my my collagen, and I add it to my coffee and I drink it all. You know, my MCTs all in my coffee, so I get it on there. I didn't enjoy this very much. I don't know. But this box, I got another one from the same brand. Super coffee, and this one is sweet and creamy, sweetened with monk fruit, and this is mocha. So maybe this one will be better. I don't know. Or maybe I just need to prepare it with, you know, maybe make a iced coffee. I don't know. I will be trying different things, because if it was just the flavor of the last one that I didn't like, then maybe I might like this one. I don't know. Alright, so the final one, and there is 12 snacks total, and this is what I was waiting for. This is what I wanted before Sunday, Valentine's Day. The Chuck Zero Raspberry Dark Chocolate. Super excited, and I want to eat it right now, but I can't. I have to save it. So I have gotten items from Chuck Zero. I have the syrups and I have the chocolate chips, and I have also tried the Halloween candy, and I really liked it. I shared it with my girls and they thought it was really good. They didn't even notice, you know, it was some other chocolate. So yes, I'm really excited. And so this year, you know, I took on the keto challenge myself and some friends, and so it is to eat a ketogenic lifestyle for a full year and see what happens. I'm super excited. I started this weight loss journey last year. Lost 20 pounds, and I'm going for more, going for my, you know, for my ideal weight. So, you know, I've been working out. I've been, you know, doing everything, you know, trying to eat more healthy. And so this Keto Krate has definitely helped. I'm really excited for the ones that come next. And so I will be sharing, you know, what I like and what I don't like. Also, before I forget, I got this in the last one, and this was the November box, but this was my other box. So this has a good flavor, this beef jerky, but it is so dry. I will not be purchasing this again. It was really dry. I don't know, I needed some grease in there, some oil, you know. Beef jerky is really good, and of course, you know, the sweeter the better. But this was just so dry. I didn't even finish it. I put it in this bag. So thank you for watching, and I will be posting more things about keto, my fitness journey, you know, all the things that I'm doing just to change my lifestyle, because before this, honestly, it was not healthy. And so I will be sharing that on here. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.